This is our last campfire at Vogel State Park. We're cooking dinner now. There's the trusty Q1200 grill with some chicken on it and some hot dogs soon. There's our truck and our trailer. This is an awesome campground. Love Vogel, love it to death. It's a great place. We've had a beautiful day here today. We have a nice campfire going. There's Jerry soaking up some sun. Well,
no sun here.
Actually soaking up some campfire rays.
There's sun up there, the tops of the
And the sun's about going down here before long. It's about 5:45 in the evening.
Got my Vogel
And
on.
Jerry's got her Vogel shirt on. All righty.
It's not cold out.
But it's not cold out.
So
It's
cuddly
absolutely beautiful. The
warm.
weather here, mid-70s. Today's been gorgeous. Yesterday it rained literally all day long.
I went to the beach.
Jerry went to the beach here at Lake Tralita today.
Got some sun. Maybe.
Think she got some sun.
I don't know. Maybe should have got some.
Maybe she got some sun. Who knows? Sugar's loving it here. This is a great place. Anyway, catch you later. Bye.